Welcome to Rust Releases. I love Rust and I love teaching people about Rust. If I get anything wrong in this video, please comment below and let me know so I can fix it. Today I'm going over the new stuff in Rust 1.68.1, a patch release which was released today, the 23rd of March 2023, thanks to the hard work of 7 contributors, of which 1 is a bot. You know, I may look around and see if I can contribute a PR to filter the bots out of those statistics so I can stop obsessing about them. Or maybe the Rust project will start using GitHub's merge queue to merge in pull requests instead of using a bot. Anyway, let's talk about the changes in today's patch release. Number 1, revert an internal compiler flag used to compile the version of Rust for 64-bit Windows Visual Studio. This is the issue that prompted the out-of-band patch release in the first place. It all boiled down to this flag enabling thin LTO not behaving correctly on Windows. Since this is only used to compile Rust itself, it shouldn't affect any general usage of thin LTO, even on Windows. LTO stands for Link Time Optimization. If you want to learn more about Link Time Optimization, there's a link in the description to more information. Since they were putting out a patch release anyway, the Rust devs threw in a few good fixes to go along with it, like number 2, fix building the compiler with enable local Rust, which is an option when compiling Rust itself to tell it to not re-download stuff that has already been downloaded. I don't know whether many folks use this option, but the nice people over at MSVC, who produce their own packages of Rust for Windows, use this option in their builds and notice the build failures. Good for them for reporting the problem upstream, resulting in a swift one-line fix. Number 3, restore detection of linker drivers with a clang version postfix. When the detection looks at targets like these, it needs to detect that clang postfix and say, oh, we're going to link with clang. Someone removed the detection since they weren't able to find any of these postfixes when they looked around, but it turns out they do exist after all. Somewhere. So, the detection has been restored, which fixes some cross-compilation scenarios that involve targets like these. Number 4, an internal compiler error in a lint was fixed. The lint in question was deref into dyn supertrait. The lint was ported to the new style that allows translating the lint message into other languages. There was a bug in the new way that the lint was implemented that could make the compiler crash, and they fixed it. I'm going to create another Rust course. Go take my survey if you want to help choose which subject I teach. You can opt in to get a discount code if you want to. The link is in the description. That's all for today, folks. Please like and subscribe.